Good morning, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Avnish Kumar. I read in class 3A. My roll number is 16. My topic is math activity money. This is my uncle. He plays the role of shopkeeper and I play the role of customer.
Can I help you?
Yes, please give me some household items.
Okay.
Pencil pack,
Okay. Apsara or DOMS?
Apsara. Pastel color,
Small or large?
small. Ujala liquid, hand wash, dates, Dettol soap.
Small, huh?
Yes. Biscuit,
Okay. Thank you.
thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome. Thank you, principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Bye.
Principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ridhima Kumari from class 3B. Today I am going to a shop for shopping. What is the cost of this book?
100,
What is the cost of pencil?
50 rupees,
What is the cost of sketch pens?
50 rupees,
Okay, what is the cost of biscuit?
20 rupees,
What is the cost of Maggie?
12 rupees,
Okay. What is the total cost of these things?
300,
Take 300.
thank you.
Welcome, bye-bye. Good evening, my teachers and friends. My name is Ansi Singh. I read in class 3. My roll number is 3. I explain chapter 7 money. Now let's go for shopping. Hi.
Hello.
You have sellotape.
Yes, I have.
You have Febistick.
Yes, Fevistick.
And you have scissor.
Yes, scissor.
Please pack all this. And what is the amount of this?
50 rupees.
50 rupees. Take your 50 rupees.
Okay.
And please pack this.
Okay. Take your things.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
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 Good evening, all of you. My name is Aditya Gopal Misra. I am explaining chapter 7 money. Good evening, uncle. I want Maggie. And I want kurkure.
5 rupees.
And max copy. What is the total amount?
40 rupees.
Thank you, uncle.
Okay, beta.
Bye.
Good morning, respected teachers. I am Ashutosh Mitra from class 3rd, section C and roll number 11. My topic is weight. What is weight? The weight of an object tells us how heavy an object is. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. The smaller unit of weight is gram. And a still smaller unit of weight is milligram. In short, we denote kilogram by kg, gram by g, and milligram by mg. Come, let's learn about weight by the help of these things. This is Chyawanprash. It is very heavy, so it will be measured in kilogram. It is coffee. It is very light, so it will be measured in gram. This is a piece of paper. It is very light, so it will be measured in milligram. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti of class 3C. My topic is weight. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. This is Suji. This is a 500 gram. This is lighter. This is Horlicks. This is of 1 kg. It is heavy. This is detergent powder. This is of 500 gram. This is lighter. This is sugar. It is of 1 kg. It is heavy. This is pulse. It is of 500 gram. It is lighter. This is biscuit. It is of 300 gram. It is very lighter. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, teacher and sir. My name is Samad Prasad. I read in class 3A. My topic is weight like this. This is a rice box. It is a heavier rice box. It measured in kilogram. And this is a box. It is a lighter box. It measured in gram. And this is a apple basket. It is a heavier apple basket. It measured in kilogram. And this is a toy car. It is a lighter toy car. It measured in gram. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Jia Kumari from class 3C. Today we will discuss about weight. What is weight? The weight of an object say that how heavy an object is. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. So I have some examples of kilogram and gram. This is salt. Its weight is 1 kg. This is Chyawanprash. Its weight is 1 kg. This is toothpaste. Its weight is 200 gram. This is ketchup. Its weight is 130 gram. This is soap. Its weight is 125 gram. This is paper. It's very lighter so that we can measure in milligram. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Of class 3B. Today we learn about fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is something which shows us the part of a whole. Let us do some fraction chart. This is a square, means one whole unit. and this is square cut divided in two parts. So we write here 2 as denominator and one part is shaded. So we write here 1 as numerator. In this square, it is divided in 3 equal parts. One part is shaded, so we write here 1 and 3. It is divided in 3 parts, so we write here 3. Numerator is 1 and 3 is denominator. Denominator is always big. It is a whole part and numerator is half part like this. This is half part. So this is numerator. In this square we see this. It is divided in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 is shaded part. So we write here 1. And it is divided in 4 parts. So we write here 4. In this square, it is divided in 5 parts. So we write here 5. And 1 is shaded. So we write here 1. Let us move to activity with flashcards. Okay, these are the flashcards. I take this flashcard. Which card is suitable for this? Yes, this is. So we do like this. I take this card. So which card is suitable for this? I take this. So which card is suitable for this? This. And this is the last one. So it is suitable for this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Ayushi Kumari from class 3B. I explain about length. The standard unit of length is meter. The biggest unit of length is kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. The smallest unit of length is centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is a ribbon. It is very small, so we can measure in centimeter.